Hi guys, welcome to Stock Influence. I hope you are doing good. A quote I read from the book The Psychology of the Money by Morgan Housel says a good investment is not necessarily about making good decisions, it's about consistently not screwing up. Today we'll be looking into AMD stock. AMD is a $136 billion company available at a very decent PE multiple of 32. The stock has hit an all-time low of $72 and has reached an all-time high of $164. Currently, the stock is at $102, which is currently trading at 38% below its all-time high as I speak. Please note that the financial numbers is including the Xilinx acquisition. The Santa Clara company has announced its quarterly results from Q1 2022 on 3rd of May. The firm has a well-diversified portfolio and continues to perform well in its first quarter. AMD has successfully completed the Xilinx acquisition on 14 February 2022. Thereby, the first quarter results include partial revenues from Xilinx. AMD's year-on-year revenue has grown from $3.4 billion in Q1 2021 to $5.9 billion in Q1 2022, which is an increase in 71% on a year-on-year basis and a 22% quarter-on-quarter growth. That is, Q4 2022 revenues were at $4.8 billion. Xilinx has generated $1 billion in revenue in Q1 2022, which is a 22% increase on a year-on-year basis. Computing and graphics segment has contributed to 48% of the total revenue. Enterprise, embedded and semi-customs segment contributes to 43% and Xilinx contributed to 9% of the revenue. Here, computing and graphics segment revenue has increased by 33% on a year-on-year basis as a result of increased sales of Ryzen and Radeon processors. Enterprise, embedded and semi-custom revenue has increased by 88%, which is driven by higher sales in EPYC processors, semi-customs and embedded product sales. Net income has increased from $555 million in Q1 2021 to $786 million in Q1 2022, up by 42% on a year-on-year basis and a 19% drop in quarter-on-quarter income. The decrease in income is due to the acquisition cost added in Q1 2022. Gross margin is strong at 48%, operating expenses at 33%, operating margin is at 16% of Q1 2022 revenues, net profit margin is at 13%, EPS is at $0.56 for Q1 2022, which is a 24% quarter-on-quarter increase as compared to Q1 2021. Talking about the outlook, the company has provided a guidance of strong outlook for Q2 2022 of approximately $6.5 billion plus or minus $200 million of revenue. That is an increase in 69% on a year-on-year basis and a 10% increase on a quarter-on-quarter basis. The increase in revenue is expected to be in addition of Xilinx revenue and increase in portfolio products. Gross margin is expected to be at 54% and operating expense at 24% in Q2 2022. AMD expects to close this year with $26.3 billion full year revenue, which is approximately an increase in 60% over 2021. Talking about the new launches, AMD has announced next generation processors for Ryzen chips. Ryzen 7 5800X 3D processors will deliver better performance for gamers and has released in April 2022. Talking about the management action, AMD board has approved an $8 billion share repurchase in addition to the $4 billion share repurchase program announced before. Talking about the acquisitions, looks like AMD is on a shopping spree as AMD will be acquiring Pensando for $1.9 billion, calculated before working capital and other adjustments. Pensando's distributed service platform will expand AMD's data center product portfolio with high performance data center processing units, DPUs, and software stack that is already deployed at scale across cloud and enterprise customers. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. Do let me know in the comment sections if you want me to cover any of your favorite stocks. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell icon to never miss my upcoming videos. Thank you.